All right, good Monday morning. Nothing really to look at. Here we have the futures for the S&P. This is the weekly. We had that nice weekly hammer. We blew it up last week. So we got an indecisive bar. Really just nothing going on to really speak of. We look at the daily. We could call it a trend reversal. Would have triggered right there. Has to break this high right here in order for it to get going. But you know how this market is. It opens up high, ends up super, super low. So don't get your hopes up, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I'm just discouraged. I wouldn't take any aggressive entries on anything. I'm just waiting for something to pan out. A couple of days of really going nowhere is a pretty good sign. Maybe it's building a bottom. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. I mean, if this is going to be a bottom, this is a nice setup. The momentum has changed. We've got that bullish divergence on the daily, and we'll see if it gets rocking and rolling. Let's see how that translates to the S&P. S&P, same thing. Indecisive week. We had that hammer. Wasted the hammer. Indecisive week right there. If we roll it over to the daily, so that's a fairly decent hammer for yesterday. I like it better when the open is low and you get a hammer, and even a green hammer is a little more encouraging. But this is a good trend reversal, and we're getting the break. The last I saw, we're up like 30. So we closed at 9. That puts us at roughly 940, and this high is 943. So we might be challenging Friday's high. Would be good. Would be good. Friday was an options expiration day, so it was really hard to get a feel for what was going on. But I would like to see it. A lot of green on the screen today. The only thing taking a beating is Tesla. That shit is dirt cheap, huh? Elon's beating down that stock. I bet he beats it down far enough to buy it back. Make it private. Take a quick look at the 10-year. Oh, that's actually the 8 o'clock bell. 10-year looks like it could be floating down. I mean, we have the momentum rolling over. We get that double top. Looks like a pretty decent head and shoulders. So we might see about 24 on that 10-year. We'll keep our eye on it. Watch it float down. BTC, baby. Same. Consolidating nicely. I kind of like seeing that. You got a lot of hysteria in the crypto market. BTC is holding up fairly well. Making a few frightening lows, but coming back. I like that pattern. Momentum is rolling over. Let's see if we can get a bullish trend on that. Nothing I'm too excited about to look for any entries. And what else are we looking at? That's pretty much all we're looking at. That's what we're keeping our eye on. And that's what we'll watch. Not much to say, man, until the market kind of picks a direction. Or I guess it's picked a direction. It just keeps giving us an indication of a bottom. And it's come down so much. I mean, I know there's a lot of naysayers out there. A lot of hate mongers. But it feels like it sold off enough. And we've sold off about 20%. I mean, never mind it's going into a bear market. It's been in a bear market. I don't know what the hell they call it, but or why they don't consider it. But look, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. That's a bear market. You know, what more do they want? So what's interesting, actually, let's see. I got a couple of retraces on it. Oh, I cleaned them up, so you can't really see them. Well, I guess we could do it again. Let's see how far back we've got this chart. So this sucker goes back. That's cool. 2020, gonna be tight, but so this is July of 2020. which is a low, a pandemic low. That's not really hitting. It's hard to do it when the chart is so small. What I'm looking at is from that point, we're at it like a 55% retrace. You know, that's a pretty good retrace right there, man. That's pretty good. Yeah, we're right there. We're right there. We hit 38.10. I'm looking at 38.03. I mean, if we break that 38.03, then we're looking at 36.79. But a 55% retrace on this run up, that's nice. That's a good, healthy place to start buying this. And we put that hammer in, after hitting that. So that's a good, healthy place to start buying this. I mean, I know we got a lot of shit, and it's hard to say that we're looking at a market move up to new highs. But to develop a trading pattern and then start consolidating in here while we work all this nonsense out would make a lot of sense. But again, I'm not going to bank on it. I'm going to wait for a confirmation. Although a break of today's high is a good entry for an aggressive entry, but a break of 40, 90, 72, and I'll be looking for a higher high and see if we can continue that pattern up a little bit. And maybe I'm hoping to trade up to the 43, 47 range. And if we could do that quick, we might be able to make a bit of money. But the momentum is supporting it. We need to make that break and continue. I'm just not getting excited about anything because, as soon as we go up, we turn around, people come in, hit the bid, and take it down. So watch your downside, but that's what we're keeping a look at. And I'm neutral on the markets right now. That's how I'm looking at it. Neutral on everything until I get some confirm that things are turning around. So that being said, remember, calm, cool, at peace when you trade. Don't trade too much. And good luck with your trading.